In this spreadsheet, I have total sales amount here. That cell is linked to B14 because in B14 our total sales amount is there. Okay, this we learned in the previous video. But when I am scrolling down, that total amount is going. That should not happen. It should be always visible. How to do it? Select the first row, go to View, Command tab. Here, select Freeze Pane button. Select Freeze top row. Now you see, you scroll down, your first row is not scrolling, the total amount is always visible. This is a small data set. Even if the data has 10,000 rows, the same effect will be there. The total amount will be always visible to you.